Hello friends, this is Sobhagya and you are watching Art and Click. In this video, I will discuss how I use Blender sculpting for my comic illustrations. This is a storyline and I wanted, in this storyline there is a robot. This character is a robot and I just wanted to take a proper shape and proper perspective of the robot, and for that I used Blender. I made a quick sculpting. This sculpting took only few minutes, and this was the robot I made earlier, and this time I wanted to take an alternative view of the robot. So there was one limited choice that I have to draw again from the beginning, and if this character is repeated so many times, then you can see that how difficult it will be to recreate every time. So I thought of creating a basic solid, not exactly 100% accurate, but little bit visual reference that could help me to uh, to do illustration. So what I did, I used three softwares. This is Clip Studio, and in this I am doing the main comic illustration, and there is a print screen software, Godwin print screen, this one, and it can be, there are options to do print screen. Now you can see there is a red boundary here, and whatever stuffs are within this will be covered. And this print screen, Clip Studio and Blender, I used these three softwares. So I took a whichever view I like. This is not a complete sculpting, this is only for basic reference, so that I can use it if you need a top view or side view. You can choose any view. So that is an advantage, and I did take a view like this, and I used control print screen for the screenshot. Yes, it takes. You hear a sound, and I'm not sure I took the microphone plugin, how much it captured system voice it takes or not, I don't know, I don't remember. Anyway, so yes, this was the capture, earlier capture. You see this was the capture, and I'm showing it how I did. You can see we took a print screen and it gets copied to your clipboard, and you can put it like here. So that way I captured from there to here, and then I superimpose. I take pen, so here you can make sketches. Yes, so you can add details, and now you can take visual reference. So your imagination gets a support. This is the visual reference, this is the front view, and from here you do additional detailings, and after that add colors or whatever, and yes, this is how I had done it is, and you can experiment with layers. You can see things are changing. So whichever you feel better, you can put it also not a bad look. And after that you can add further details. So the basic thing was getting a sketch done with your sole imagination sometimes goes wrong, and everybody is not a hardcore artist. Even I would rate myself as an average artist. I don't have a very giant imagination to recreate everything from memory. And even if we try to recreate from memory, it is possible, but it takes a lot of time. So to save time or to meet the deadline, you can take shortcuts. And if you have Blender, and Blender sculpting is not that difficult. I'm a beginner and I'm still learning, but you can see we can do sculpting easily. So you can see there are lots of tools, and lot of things can be done. So really useful and lovely. So you sculpt a base mesh here and take your view, and I have used X symmetry. X symmetry means you half do the job and other half gets done by the software easily, automatically. So you can see wherever you are trying, you are getting a symmetry operation here. So that way your work, and these figures are, you might be thinking these are not exactly accurate, but just for a visual reference you need where the position should be, and then the rest of the detailings are not major thing, those are minor things, and you can get it done on your own. If you find that difficult, then you can further detail them. And yes, that is how I use 3D sculpting for my 2D illustrations. And if you think this video is useful for you, please consider subscribing. And if you support this channel and let this channel grow, I will bring more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.